Factoring a general quadratic trinomial. Let's try this. 8x squared minus 9x minus 14. Let's use the trial and error technique wherein we find the factors of 8x squared and negative 14. Factors of 8x squared are 4x and 2x and 8x and x. While in negative 14, its factors are negative 7 and 2 and negative 14 and 1. Let's first use 4x and 2x and negative 7 and 2 for the first trial. So, 4x minus 7 times 2x plus 2. By using distributive property, we can distribute 4x to 2x, which will give you 8x squared, and 4x to positive 2, which will give you positive 8x. And also distribute negative 7 to 2x will give you negative 14x, and 7 to positive 2 will give you negative 14. Then let's bring down 8x squared minus 6x minus 14. As you can see, the answer is not equal to the given polynomial. So, therefore, the answer we've got is not correct. We found out that 4x and 2x is not compatible to negative 7 and 2. So, let's try 8x and x and negative 7 and 2. Second trial, 8x minus 7 and x plus 2. By using distributive property, 8x times x, 8x squared. 8x times 2, positive 16. X. Negative 7 and x, negative 7x. Negative 7 and 2, negative 14. The answer is 8x squared minus 9x minus 14. The answer we've got is the same as the given polynomial. So, therefore, the answer we've got in trial number 2 is correct. Let's now try AC test technique, where A is equals to 8, B is equals to negative 9, and C is equals to negative 14. 8 times negative 14 is equals to negative 112. So let's put in the first box negative 112 and negative 9 in the second box. Let's now find the factors of negative 112 that when added, it will be negative 9. Let's try negative 16 and 7. We can see that negative 16 times 7 is equals to negative 112. And negative 16 plus 7 is equals to negative 9. So the answer is correct. Let's now simplify this. Negative 16 and 7 will be the denominator. And the numerator will be x, 8x. 8 over negative 16 can be simplified as 2 over negative 4. And 2 over negative 4 can also be simplified as 1 over negative 2. And just copy 8 over 7. So the final answer will be x minus 2 and 8x plus 7, which is equal to the answer of our second try in the trial and error method. Now let's review. A general quadratic trinomial should have two terms in the final answer, and it should have used two techniques, the trial and error technique and the AC test. And in checking if the final answer is correct, use the FOIL method. If there are no final answer in the trials you've made, it is considered to be a prime. And if there are two or more factors that give both the correct answer, simply factor it completely. Thank you once again, and I hope you've learned a lot.